Verification of documents, payslips. Compulsory details on the payslip, that will be the name of the employer, name of the employee. You will have the employee number, or it could be the identity number. Method of payment should more than often be EFT. You will have the payment date and the period of employment. In this case, period of employment is the start date of employment. Other details in the payslip would include, but not limited to, have a gross income, that is money that you receive before deduction, net income after deduction, allowances including overtime, deduction would include unemployment insurance fund, UIF, your tax, in this case payee. You could either have a pension or a provident fund, so you can be contributing towards pension or provident fund. With regard to UIF, note that a percentage is contributed by an employer and percentage by the employee. There is a ceiling limit in place in which amounts will not exceed a certain value. In this case, that certain value is 148.72. So, for example, if a customer earns 14,872, they will pay 148.72. If you earn anything beyond this number, if you earn 15,000, you will still pay 148.72. You earn 30,000, you will still pay 148.72. However, if you earning less than this number, example in this case, you earning 10,000, you will only contribute 100 rand. If you earning 5,000, you will only contribute 50 rand. Examples of payslip. What to look at to ensure that the documentation it's valid. A lot of stuff that you can actually look at here. If you look at this here, you've got method of payment. This document does not tell us exactly how is this customer being paid. It just shows the stars. In this case here, you will see the normal rate. It's 4,200, which means this customer should actually pay 42 rand, but in this case the UIF it's 68 rand. So if you're earning 4,200, you should be paying UIF, you should be paying 42 rand. Spelling mistakes, brutto, you can see this word here, miatskape, and this is supposed to be maskape, which is in an Afrikaans word. So this information here is correct. In most cases, colleagues, you will not find payslip with lots of colors like this. In most cases, you will find your payslip will be printed in black and white. Have a look at this one here. This name of the company here is Mtentensi Project, but if you go up there, you can see a different name there, that is Mtentensi Project. So this name and that name there, it's different, so this can't be right. Spelling mistake, you can see that word there, which is called appointment date. So you can't have spelling mistake like this on your payslip. If you look at this amounts here, you can see where 1.8 is, look at where 5,000, so 18,000 and 5,000, this information here is not aligned. So ensure that you familiarize yourself with the different payslips and bank statement. Ensure that whatever that appears on your payslip is the same amount that will appear on the customer's bank statement.